We're doing one of the most traditional recipes today, which is a mix of flours, barley flour, wheat flour, and cornmeal. Να ξεκινήσουμε με οποιοδήποτε αλεύρι. She said I can start with any flour. Barley is one of the oldest indigenous grains in this part of the Mediterranean, especially in the island of Crete. The corn is a newcomer, but you find it in all sorts of unexpected places in the Greek kitchen. It adds that sweetness that corn gives. This is heavy. It's very heavy. Και τώρα?
Ναι, κάνω ένα λάκκο.
So she's making a well in the flour. This is the most important part. This is the starter. We call it prosimi in Greek. And it has this great, really great sour flavor. That's what gives this the rusks, that earthy flavor.
Έτσι.
So there's about a pound of starter for these 5 kilos of flour. A little bit of sugar. The sugar helps the yeast form. She puts the salt in the flour, not over the starter.
Θα βάλω το λάδι.
A whole glass of olive oil. Wow. And the most accurate measurement of all, as much water as it takes. So this is the most accurate measurement in Greece. She dilutes the starter. And then, as you can see what's happening, she's taking flour from around the edges and slowly working that in. And this is the really traditional way to do it with your fists. That's how Greek women knead their dough. Kneading bread is the cheapest shrink. It takes a while to knead 10 or 12 pounds of flour. But once you do this, if something got on your nerves or you had some anxiety about something, you've kind of kneaded it all out.
Τη βάζω και δεν κολλάει, δεν μου γυρνάει πίσω.
Κατάλαβα. So she's saying she knows it's ready when the dough doesn't stick to her fists. Δεν κολλάει. It doesn't stick. She covers it with a sheet first, a clean sheet, and then she wraps it. This is wool, actually, and that keeps the heat in, and that helps the dough to rise. And this kind of keeps everything warm. This is going to rise now for about an hour. Να το ξεσκεπάσω, έτσι. I'm gonna reveal the dough. Oh, wow. It's really risen. Έχει φουσκώσει.
Ναι, έχει φουσκώσει αρκετά. Είναι έτοιμο. Αυτό που θα κάνουμε είναι αυτό.
She makes the loaf and cuts through it, not all the way to the bottom, basically scores it. These will be the paximadia. It'll rise, bake, and then these pieces she can break off more easily because they're already marked. Out of this batch of dough here, she said she's going to get about 7 or 8 loaves. All the paximadia are scored and shaped. These haven't even gone into the oven yet for the first baking, and they already smell really good. And she's doing something that is a really, really old tradition here. Old bakers used to put lemon leaves under the loaves before they go into the oven to bake the first time. That perfumes the loaves. They're going to bake off for about 15 or 20 minutes in a really hot wood-fired oven. She'll pull it out of the oven when the bread is still quite soft. Virginia will break apart the pieces. The soft wedges go back into an oven that's warm, not fired up, warm. So then the rusks actually dehydrate. And that's really the whole secret of the paximadia. It's a tradition that's been part of Crete for probably thousands of years. And it's still really timely and really delicious.